Knowing the exact size of a field helps you to apply the right amount of seed and fertilizer. And it's also important when it comes to things like insurance. But if your field is large, measuring it by hand can be challenging. This short tutorial will show you how to measure your field easily and accurately using your smartphone and the free Fields Area Measure app. You will need a smartphone, either Android or iOS, and an internet connection for installing the app. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Fields Area Measure Free, and download the app. Also make sure GPS is turned on in your smartphone settings. Just a quick note, this app is free, but it's supported by ads. You might see one pop up now and then. Just close it before continuing. Once you've installed the app, open it on your smartphone. This is what the home screen should look like. If it looks different, you might need to close an ad or a disclaimer first. To find your current location, tap the GPS symbol on the right. A blue dot shows where you are. If your GPS is off, you can manually scroll around the map to find your field. Swipe around the screen to explore your surroundings and get familiar with how to move the map. Now, let's measure your field. Tap on Create New at the bottom, then select Field. There are two ways to measure. Manual measuring, where you place points around the edge of your field. Or GPS measuring, where you walk around the boundaries and let the app record it. We'll start with the manual method. Tap on Manual Measuring, then tap on the first corner of your field. Keep tapping along the boundaries to outline the shape. You can move a point by holding and dragging it. When you're happy with the shape, tap Next. Now, you can give your field a name and write a short description. For example, Maize Field. If you're near the field, you can also add a photo by tapping Add Photo and selecting Camera. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. Once saved, you'll see your field outlined on the map. To check the exact size, tap on the field, then tap the numbers at the top of the screen. Now, let's look at GPS measuring. The great thing about this method is that it works even without an internet connection. Go to the first corner of your field and tap GPS Measuring. The app will start tracking right away. Now walk around the edge of your field. When you're done, tap Next. You can still adjust any point by tapping and holding it. Once the shape looks right, tap Next again. As before, you can name the field, add a description, and attach a photo. When you're ready, tap Save. Your field shape is now saved and visible on the map. To check the exact size, tap on the field, then tap the numbers at the top. To share your field boundary, tap on the shape, then tap on the share icon on the top right corner. You can save the file on your phone or share it directly, for example via WhatsApp or email. You will be asked to choose a format. The easiest and most compatible one is KML. Depending on your phone, a menu will appear with sharing options like WhatsApp, Mail or Bluetooth. You can also import a field shape sent by someone else. If you receive a KML file, simply tap on it and open it with the Fields Measure app. It will appear under List in the menu of the app. Please keep in mind, the field sizes measured with this app may differ slightly from official values. These measurements are meant to serve as a practical guide. And that's it. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use the Fields Area Measure app on your smartphone, create a shapefile or KML file, export and share it with others, and import a shape sent to you. Thank you for watching and happy mapping!